All right, students, this was the compound inequality that we did today. This was an and. So I'm going to color code. Remember, the first step is to split them up. So that this is one inequality I'm going to write, and this is another. Okay? So the green one, I'm going to write it over here. And I'm going to solve that green one first. And then I'm going to just put the orange one over here. Okay, so there are two different ones. I'm going to solve one first and then the other one. Oh, I forgot to divide it by 3. Okay, so the middle one is shared by both, so I write it twice. And then these two numbers come over here. Okay, I'm going to focus on this one. The first step here is everything's being divided by 3. So I need to cancel a divided by 3 first. If I multiply by 3, which is the opposite of dividing by 3, I can cancel them. What I do to one side, I must do to the other side. So I have to multiply by 3 here as well. These two cancel like I wanted. This is still here. On this side, now I have 15 times 3, which is 45. Okay, so after that, okay, I notice, I'm gonna put my line down. On this side, I can still do some more simplification. So I'm gonna ignore this side for now and just focus on this one. I see that the 20 and the 11 are constants or regular numbers, so I can put them together. That becomes 31. Okay, now for k to be alone, which is what I want, I'm sorry, this is not equals, this is less than or equal to. For k to be by itself, I still have to get rid of the 31. Now the k and the 31 are not together, like next to each other, like on the other problems. There's a plus in between. So they're different terms. So to get rid of the 31, I either add or subtract. So here, there's no sign in front of it. So that means it's a positive. To get rid of it, I do minus. Okay. So k is greater than or equal to, looking at this way, and this is going to be 14. So that's one of my solutions. Now I go over here and do the next one. I'm going to do the same thing as I did on the other side. So I'm going to like kind of put a order so we don't get confused. Now we're on this side. To get rid of that divided by 3, I have to multiply by 3. And what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Okay, my purpose here was to cancel these 3's. So they're gone. Now I have the rest of it. Uh-oh, technical difficulties. And 19 times 3, which is 57. The same thing that happened over there on this side. These two can be combined because they're regular numbers. And then here, again, the k and the 31 are not together. There's a plus in between, so they're not being multiplied. They're being added. 31, no sign in front, so that means I can subtract it, and what I do to one side, I do to the other. So this zero's out. K is less than or equal to 26. So that's my other answer. Now this is a compound inequality, which means that I have to write it together. Okay, if I write the answers, if I put them together, right? See how the K, it ends with the K and this one begins. I can put the K only once and then put the rest of it, like this part right here, on this side, and that part over there on this side. And that would be my answer. To graph it, 14 would be somewhere here, 26 could be somewhere here. They're both or equal to, this is k is greater than or equal to, k is less than or equal to. So both have closed circles. And then shade in.